can speak to our correspondent in New Delhi, Navedita Kumari, to find out more. Hello to you. Navedita, tell us a little bit about what transpired today.
Yeah. Saturday early morning, rushing through the sit-in protester here at Jantar Mantar. At least a dozen of police staff from the Delhi police and other paramilitary forces had launched a crackdown on the protesters and allegedly forcefully took scientist and environment activist Sonam Wangchuk and have taken him to a public hospital, Safdarjung Hospital. And according to the Cockroach Janata Party, it happened just when they took a 15 minutes break because they have been here since 20th June, day in and night. And so in the morning, they just took a 15 minutes break. And it was at this moment that the police took advantage and rushed him to the hospital. From the visuals, what we have seen, he visually looks very distressed about the action, and also his wife, Dr. Gitanjali Angmo, has said that the medical team at the Safdarjung Hospital where he has been taken are refusing to share any medical report. According to her, the medical team which she had appointed to have monitor the health of Sonam Wangchuk had said there was no critical sign of distress in his health. They have been monitoring him 24 hours. So she's very upset and outraged at what unfolded on Saturday morning. Also, now additionally joining the hunger strike, which entered its 21st day, Abhijit Dipke, the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party, has launched his indefinite strike. So now after that, droves of people have been coming here, joining, as you can also see behind me. And there are hundreds of protesters who have gathered, and they are all very angry at what the Delhi police has done.
Yeah, so a lot of concern as this moves forward. Navedita, what has reaction been to all of this?
Obviously, the protesters and supporters are outraged that they have been waiting and coming here in support of Sonam Wangchuk and the Cockroach Janata Party's aim and their demand of the resignation of Education Minister. But the first sign, the government gave a very aggressive signal that they just came even without starting to enter into a dialogue. They just took their ideal, their, hope, Sonam Wangchuk. It has outraged the supporters. And in fact, they are all saying that this is coming just 2 days before they plan to march peacefully to Parliament to put more pressure on the government. So it gives a signal, definitely, that the government is still not willing to enter into any form of dialogue. That's what they have been hoping for. And instead, the consequence of whatever the Delhi police has done, forcefully taken Sonam Wangchuk to hospital, more groups, social groups like farmers groups have now joined. And also we heard just now another social activist said that they have only made this protest bigger. Earlier, their demand was only the resignation of the Education Minister, but now they have to question, and they want the boss of this Education Minister, meaning the Prime Minister and the government, to also resign. So from where, that's what they are now saying. So it's the first reaction. They are really angry. We have to see from this point whether this protest expands and becomes a nationwide. That's what has been the call from the dais, what we heard just moments ago. It's a very now important juncture. We have to wait for Monday, the 20th of July, where the protesters have said and resolved that they will continue their protest to Parliament. So let's see what and where this protest goes from here.
All right, Navedita, thank you very much. Navedita Kumari reporting from New Delhi.